Hello everyone, welcome you all in YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. Today I am going to cover another most important topic of unit balancing of rotating masses. Here you can see in previous video we already covered balancing of single mass, balancing of different masses. In balancing of single mass, the first type, balancing of single rotating mass in the same plane. Second, balancing of single rotating mass in different plane. Balancing of different masses rotating in same plane. Final type, balancing of different masses rotating in different plane. Friends, in previous video I already covered the first, second and third type. Today I am going to cover most important method, that is balancing of different masses rotating in different plane. I request you all the viewers press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming video. Balancing of several masses rotating in different planes. Friends, we already know that the meaning of several masses rotating in the different plane means in this method we have number of masses and number of planes. If we have 4 number of masses, in this case we have 4 number of planes. Now understand this method. Several masses revolve in different planes. They may be transferred to reference plane because we must have take the distance from the reference planes. So for this we must have to take one mass as a reference plane. Second most important point that we already discussed about these two conditions. The first condition, the force in the reference plane must balance, that is the resultant must be 0. Second, the couple above the reference plane must balance, that is resultant couple must be 0. Now for this method we have 6 various steps. Now we will see one by one step. Here, so first step, L as the reference plane. So from the reference plane, left hand side value will be negative, right hand side value will be positive. Now we will understand by using this wonderful animation, that is position of plane. You can see this wonderful animation for position of plane of the mass. In this figure you can see there are 4 number of masses, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then L and M are the balance plane. You can see we have take reference plane on plane L. So from the reference plane, right hand side value will be positive and left hand side value will be negative. You can see distance from L to 1, that is L1, the distance from plane L to plane 2, that is L2, plane L3, that is L3, respectively L4 and L5. So we consider all the distance from the reference plane L. Step 2. Planes are tabulated in the same order in which they occur, reading from left to right. Here you can see one table. This is most important table whenever you are solving the problem of balancing of rotating masses, here you can see there are the 6 number of column. In first column, this is plane. This is called column number 1. You can see plane number 1, reference plane L, plane number 2, 3, M and 4. Second column for mass. This is called column number 2. In column number 2, mass M1, ML, M2, M3, MM and mass 4. Third column is for radius. R1, RL, R2, R3, RM, R4. Column number 4 is for centrifugal force. For FC1, M1, R1, ML, R1, M2, R2, M3, R3, MM, RM, M4, R4. Fifth column, this is for distance. Here you can see the value is minus L1. It is minus because from the reference plane, left hand side value will be negative, right hand side value will be positive. So this mass 1 is left hand side from the reference plane. For this value is negative. On reference plane, value will be 0, and from reference plane, right hand side value all are positive. Here you can see L2, L3, LM and L4. And final, this is couple, column number 6. Column number 6 equal to column number 4 into column number 5. So minus M1, R1, L1 on reference plane L0, plane 2, that value M2, R2, L2, and third M3, R3, L3 on plane M, MM, RM, LM on plane 4, M4, R4, L4. Here you can see column number 4 and column number 6 are the most important column, because from the column number 4 we can draw centrifugal force, we can say force diagram, and from the column number 6 value we can draw couple polygon. Now step 3, a couple represented by a vector drawn perpendicular to the plane of the couple. Here you can see angular position of masses. Here you can see mass M1, M2, M3, M4, and here you can see the mass ML and MM. Now this is our couple vector. So couple vector we draw perpendicular to the plane of the couple. Here you can see this is our mass M1. So couple vector from this M1 perpendicular, there you can see this is C1. Same for mass M2, this is couple vector C2, C3, C4 and Cm. Then step number 4, the couple vector are turned counterclockwise to a right angle for convenience for drawing as shown in figure. Now we will see the counterclockwise couple vector. So turn all the vectors from counterclockwise. Here you can see C1, C2, C3, C4 and Cm. So we turn all the couple vector from counterclockwise to a right angle. This is our original position. Here you can see the couple vector are drawn radially outwards for the masses on one side of the reference plane and radially inward for the masses on other side from the reference plane. Now, fifth step, draw couple polygon. Now, how can we draw couple polygon? So, here you can see the starting point O dash, second A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Now how can we draw couple polygon? For this, you can refer my previous. How can we draw couple polygon? For this, you can refer my previous video for how to solve or how to draw couple polygon. Here you can see this all the value taken from column number 6 from the table, and final this O dash D dash, this is our couple vector, so we can find the balance couple mm, rm, lm from this couple polygon. Now final step, draw the fourth polygon. So how to draw this fourth polygon? We have to take that FC1, FC2, FC3 and FC4 from the table column number 4. For how to draw fourth polygon, you can refer my previous video, graphical method and analytical method solving problem. In this figure you can see that vector OE, this is balanced force vector OE, so you can find M, L, RL from this force polygon. Thank you everyone for watching all the videos. I request you all the viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest video update. You can also follow me on Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram. Link provided in description box. Thank you.